The colorful hues you see on the screen are the time-lapse videos of the night sky people witnessed in different parts of the world earlier this month. These were stunning auroras that painted the skies in pink, green and purple on the night of May 10 and 11. The auroras were clearly visible with the naked eye. People even captured the night sky on their phones. Now, what are auroras? Auroras are bright and colorful lights. These are generally observed in areas near the poles. At the North Pole, it's called the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. And at the South Pole, it's called the Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights. But what makes this happen? Well, they happen because of solar winds sending charged particles into space, which then get caught up in the Earth's magnetic field. These particles then collide with atoms in our atmosphere, releasing energy in the form of light. The interesting fact is that the color we see depends on what type of gas is involved in the collision and how high up it happens. But why were auroras observed across many regions this time? According to the American Space Agency NASA, May 2024 is already turning out to be a super stormy month for the sun. The first week of May saw a barrage of massive solar flares and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, sending charged particles and magnetic fields hurtling towards the Earth, creating the strongest solar storm to hit our planet in 2 decades, and possibly one of the most incredible aurora displays on record in the past 500 years. The CMEs traveled in waves, reaching Earth starting May 10 and sparked a long-lasting geomagnetic storm that reached a G5 rating, the highest level on scale. That's a big deal, since we haven't seen a storm this intense since 2003, when a severe geomagnetic storm caused power outages in Sweden and damaged transformers in South Africa. When the storm finally hit Earth, it put on a breathtaking light show. Auroras were visible all around the world, and the best part? They were even spotted in places that don't usually get to see them, like the southern United States and northern India. What are the potential impacts of solar storms? Solar storms can trigger blackouts on the Earth, knock out satellites in space, put astronauts' lives in danger, and affect space weather throughout the solar system. See this World Economic Forum report. The solar storm caused disruptions to power grids, broadband technology, and GPS satellites in space. The solar region responsible for the recent stormy weather is now rotating to the other side of the sun, where its impacts can no longer reach Earth. However, that doesn't mean the storm is over as yet.